Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if you're regular and you're wondering what's different about me, I did a full face of makeup using foundation. So today's video is today's video, I keep spinning on my chair guys, can't help it. Today's video is more so a chit chat video about how I feel about YouTube 2019 uncensored, unfiltered version. So I've been like, I went through a point like a few weeks ago, maybe months ago, about I was feeling really down about my channel, and the engagement on my channel wasn't doing really well. My views were going down, and that is not what I wanted. So I know I'm a really small YouTuber, and some of my videos may get a lot of views, but people may not subscribe and stuff like that. I really don't care. I just want my content to be seen. I don't want my subscribers to be taken from me. I don't want my videos to be filtered. And I feel like because YouTube wants you to pay for your videos to be seen, especially like on the homepage or to run ads and stuff like that, they want you to pay, right? And I'm not trying to pay. I just want my videos to be seen by people. I tag them the right way. I watch videos on learning about the YouTube algorithm and how to generate the right tags for your videos and filling out the description settings. Like, I've done all of that. I've tried all of that. And unless you're making videos about the newest beauty products that are out, or the recent drama, or you know, little things like that, your videos get filtered. Your videos don't get seen on YouTube, and to be honest, I'm sick and tired of that. I've done a video like this in the past, but that was more so when I was just like trying to figure myself out, what I want to post on my channel. And I've realized that I don't want to be considered a hair channel. I don't want to be considered a weight loss channel. I don't want to be considered a makeup channel. I don't want to be considered a tech channel. I cover a lot of things that people like to hear about. I do a lot of chit chat videos. I do beginner makeup. I do hair from time to time. Like, I'm capable of doing a lot of things, and I want that to show on my channel. I don't want to have to feel pressured to speak about my personal problems or my personal issues for gain. I don't want to feel like I have to speak about people's new breakups and following the new headlines and doing all these things just for people to click on my video. But sad enough, people gear more towards the drama on your channel than you actually doing something that you love. And to me, that's really sad. That's like extremely sad. And I've been watching a lot, like smaller YouTubers, not like as small as me, like maybe 90,000, 80,000 subscribers, now saying that their content that they're posting that is genuine, they don't feel like it's important. And I'm like, girl, like, that's important to me. I watch that. But then those videos get 1,400 views, 900 and something views, 2,000 views. But as soon as you talk about Cardi B and Offset breaking up, or you talk about, you know, Fashion Nova not supporting a lot of colored people, or stealing designs from people, or you start talking about, you know, like little things like that, Damo and Chrissy breaking up, and all those things that have nothing to do with you or relevant to you in any type of way, unless there is a message behind it. I'm not saying you can't speak about these things on your channel unless there's a message behind it, but if you're falling down the path of drama just to get clicks on your video, those videos are coming to like 20,000 views, 15,000 views, 10,000 views. But those same people that are watching those videos, where are they supporting you in any type of way based on your subscription or helping you make it big on YouTube? You understand what I'm saying? Because then again, when you start going back to making genuine content, your video starts to get filtered again. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I can click on a video right now that's talking about, I'm going to use Damo and Chrissy as an example. Damo and Chrissy breaking up. Chrissy not being as booming as she used to be when she used to be with Damo. Chrissy talking about her new girlfriend and all that stuff. Damo bossing up like the real bitch she is. I love Damo. All respect to her. You know, like her building her life. I could watch that one video on my channel, close the YouTube app, open it up again. Damo Chrissy, Damo Chrissy, Damo Chrissy, Damo Chrissy, Damo Chrissy. That's all I see on my homepage. But it's drama filled. It's people, you know, watching these other people's lives and then having shit to say about it. As I said, unless you have something positive to say or there's a positive outcome, like you talking about this YouTuber that I follow, her name is Yanni Red. She's been talking about a lot of real shit like colorism and how YG spoke about light-skinned girls at Nipsey Hussle's funeral when we're just all black women and genuine, or Kevin Hart making jokes about dark-skinned women when his daughter is dark-skinned. Like, she covered a lot of real shit on her channel, and I'm like, I respect that. But nobody wants to watch that, right? It's just like when you have Cardi B. She made another video about Cardi B, you know, talking about drugging men and stripping and doing all this shit to make money and to make it. As she said, that's a choice. You didn't have to do it. You chose to do it, right? But yet we feed into that, you know? We feed into the drama. Oh, Cardi B is this and Cardi B is that and Cardi B is great. Her music is great. Her music is that. I'll listen to Cardi B. She has a couple bops, don't get me wrong. But her as a person, that's another story. Like, for me personally, I don't feel like we're careful about what we watch and what we feed into, because it's always good to support people. And I'm not saying that you're not supposed to support these people, but have a conscience when you do it, right? Because there's a lot of people that are out here actually busting their ass on YouTube, making good content, but it doesn't get seen because that's not what the people want to see right now. You know what I'm saying? And like, it sucks when you have to do the most or record videos that you don't want to or upload videos that you don't want to just because of the views. Like, I shouldn't have to second guess what I upload to my channel. I shouldn't have to go through and delete all the good shit that I'm passionate about making because I don't think it's making enough views or getting enough money from it or reaching out to companies to get sponsorships. Like, I shouldn't have to feel that way, that I have to feed into the drama and the latest trends and all that stuff to make my channel genuine. But sometimes I feel like the other part of me is like, do I really need to do this to push to get the views and to get the supporters until I get to a certain point in my YouTube career when I can make videos that I like to make? But then when you get there and you stop making those videos based on drama and following the latest trends, like, is it even worth it? Because when you start making your genuine content, are people going to watch it? Are they going to push you aside again, even though you've now made it to like a higher point in YouTube? That's the shit I'm talking about, okay? Yeah, so that's the kind of shit that I'm talking about. And I got a couple examples that I've been seeing on social media that's been blowing my freaking mind, okay? The first one is that guy on YouTube that kissed his sister. We're really out here kissing our siblings for views, and it wasn't a little 1-2 smooch. It was a freaking makeout session.
It's like the earth is trying to like make it not happen. I'm getting a random caller in the middle of this. It's never happened.
This is the end of this.
Yeah.
And they stopped and then they continued making out again. It's disgusting. Like, it's disgusting. And then you go in and you see what he's doing on his channel about he's the best kisser and kissing this and kissing that. I'm kind of just like, what the actual fuck? Like, are you doing that because you're getting a reaction out of people and that's what's gonna make you go viral because people are gonna look at you as disgusting and keep clicking and retweeting and reblogging and whatever? Like, really? That's disgusting to me. Me personally, that's not something I'd want to watch. That's not something I'd want to do. That's not something I'd even want to show on my channel, that I gotta kiss a sibling or kiss a family member for you to watch my video so I can get millions and millions of views. Like, fuck that. Like, that's beyond me. That video literally blew me away because I'm like, is this really what we're doing? And then the sister, on the other hand, being a female, you think it's okay to kiss your brother? Not even kiss him, fully make out with him, and then try and come out and say the kiss was fake and he kept pressuring you and paid you to do this and do that. Like, he's your brother or your half brother, and you think that's okay? That doesn't justify you kissing your brother. Like, shit like that makes me wonder, like, is this really what we're doing on YouTube for views? I just feel like at this point, it's easy to read what's genuine and what's fake, what's real and what's fake, coming from the people you support and you subscribe to on YouTube. I'm open to criticism. I'm open to adding new content to my channel based on what people want to see from me. I'm totally open to that. You understand what I'm saying? But when it comes to like crossing that line, I'm almost on the fence about like, what do I have to do to make it on here? You know what I mean? And I don't want to be fake and start incorporating shit that I don't believe in. But I've seen it like I've seen it happen to a YouTuber that I watch. I've been watching Ivy Powell on YouTube for years. She was one of the first people I subscribed to on YouTube. And I remember because I was in high school and I watched a video on how to slick up my hair in a high bun. She does makeup, she does hair, she vouches for thick and plus size women. She shared her experience on there with her kids, her pregnancy, surgeries, like everything. She's an open book and she uploads stuff that she's passionate about. Just because she does hair, her channel is not hair based. Just because she does makeup, her channel is not makeup based. Like, she covers so many things on her channel. But to me, I feel like she's worth over 1 million views. Like, she's been on YouTube for a really long time. And I'm not saying 500,000 subscribers is not a lot, because she's about that and a bit over. But you don't see that reflection on her views on her channel, like on her videos. You know what? And she's said like multiple times, like, should she even continue YouTube? Like, it almost makes no sense. And to me, that makes me sad, because I have somebody that I now look up to on YouTube, or that I can gain advice from, and now they're second guessing their talent on here, or whether they should be on here, or if they belong on here. Like, give me a break. I'm just over the shit. And if you're over the shit, leave some comments down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because the girls out here trying to make it, okay? And I will never be fake. If I do talk about something that's in the media, it's because there's something you can learn from it. You know, I will never post anything on my channel for the blogs or whatever, or just to talk shit about somebody. No, that's not me. But that's pretty much the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.